I don't want to like change everything all the time, but I know you've put a lot of energy into working with VS Code extensions, but I just think that Sensible right now is much bigger, much more important than VS Huddle at this moment. So that's why I was wondering, maybe we can make an extension in VS Code for Sensible, where you have all your docs, can make examples, like basically the documentation site that I'm creating now in React. We could do it in VS Code as well, right? So we can render that in VS Code. So I think you should work on that. So let me know, if you get anything running, and just start on the whole process. Just try to deploy something to the App Store. Maybe we can have a very minimum viable product, but the first step would be to make it work together with everything that Sensible has. So the UI, the core, everything. So it has to be an app in the Sensible project. Let me know how it goes.